Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you what you need to know before buying the New Balance 990 V5. There's a lot of things to go over about these sneakers. I'm really excited to do this video because I know that you guys are wanting to be conscious shoppers. I want to help you guys, be a resource to you guys. If you're new to my channel, my name's Jeanette. I'm a fashion TikToker, influencer, whatever you want to call it, whatever. I do YouTube, I make videos about fashion, and I talk a lot about my faith. That's really important to me. So if those are things that you guys want to keep watching, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I've actually written down a list here. I wanted to get straight into today's video because there's a few things that I wanted to share with you guys. So where I first saw these was actually from my boyfriend. He is a sneaker enthusiast like myself, and he has the 993, I believe, or the older version of the 990s. I'm not exactly sure, but they look really similar to this. And I actually saw him rocking these, and then because of him, I noticed other celebrities wearing it as well, like Kourtney Kardashian, Kaia, Gerber, Addison Rae, and Madison. I started seeing a lot of celebrities wearing these, and then I was like, wow, like this is must be a popular shoe, but why is it so popular? It's really nothing much to a sneaker. Like they don't like especially scream out, hey, I'm a fabulous shoe. Like it doesn't scream that to me personally. So I was like, what is the hype around this shoe? This shoe has almost been out for about a year. From my research, again, I may be incorrect about this information, so please correct me in the comment section down below. The colorway that I have here in the most popular colorway is called Castle Rock, which is, again, it's kind of like this gray suede, light gray. It's got touches of darker gray in it as well. It is a very, very average basic silhouette. Like honestly, you guys, there's nothing to it, but I think that's exactly why this shoe has as much love as it does now more than ever. Something really awesome about New Balance that I know that they pride themselves on is their sizing range and options. So New Balance, actually, if you didn't know this about the brand, they have extra narrow to standard, or to narrow, then to standard, then to wide, then to extra wide, and then to extra wide. I think there's 6 sizing options, which is pretty incredible if you think about it from all the different lengths of sizes, right? So you got from like 4 all the way to size 13, let's say, and then imagine those 6 variations of all the sizes. I think that's pretty incredible. This shoe particularly comes, when I saw the options, it came in extra narrow, standard, wide, and then extra wide. I just got the standard here. I'm pretty sure I've got B standard sizing here. Something to note about these is, just like the Jordan series that I did before, you can get these in kids and you can get these in like men's. I think the smallest size they have in a men's is a 7, which converts like a women's 9 or something, I believe, somewhere around there. The kid sizing is also cheaper, and you can get like a size 5.5 youth for the equivalent of a 6.5 in women's. I would just recommend maybe getting the kids wide 5.5 so that it fits a little bit more comfortable, because I'm sure it runs a little bit tight. They were made in the US. So when I got this box here, I was actually surprised to see how much about the fact that it's made in the US. Like the shoe actually has a United States American flag on the tongue portion here. It's pretty cool to think about, because not a lot of shoes are, especially nowadays with manufacturing in China and everything like that, you'll typically see a lot of sneakers, especially like Yeezys, for example, they'll be made in India or in China. And it's actually really cool to see that it was made in the US. You know, it makes you feel kind of good about what you're purchasing, understanding that people in the US are working, there's manufacturing being still done in the US. So I understand that because it's made in the US, the price tag is a little bit higher. Again, it's such a basic shoe, but justifying to pay $175 for a basic sneaker like this may seem kind of crazy, because when you look at these look like they would be $65 to $75, honestly. But again, you're manufacturing these in the US, so maybe that's why the price is a little bit higher. So a little bit about the comfort of these shoes. I have never in my life walked around in a more comfortable sneaker. I know that sounds pretty sad because I have a lot of sneakers, and to be honest, not all my sneakers that I purchase are really comfortable. I would say that my most comfortable sneakers are like my Adidas Ultra Boost. Those are very, very comfortable. This is a little bit more structured feeling than that, but the step itself is very comfortable. I could see myself walking around a full day at Disneyland in these shoes, and I think that says a lot about the shoe. It's got a nice sock padding all around it. You obviously have to still wear socks with it because you don't want them to stink up or anything. The weight of it isn't as light as like a Nike Free Run Flyknit or a, Adidas Ultra Boost. It's not as light as that may be. They have this shoe under the running category on the New Balance website, which I found was interesting because I was like, I could never imagine myself running in these. I have a pair of Pegasus 37s from Nike for running specifically, and I was just kind of surprised that this was under the running category, but it's ultra soft comfort insert ortho light, so I'm guessing that there is orthopedic padding type of insole in these shoes. The portion where your toe would be kind of lifting off, it is a little bit memory foam-ish, but it's very hard. So it's not a like super soft memory foam where your foot would literally fall into, like it's almost like a cloud. It's not that feeling. It definitely feels like a harder memory foam. Again, I do have minor bunions on my feet. I didn't feel the need to get a wide, but I'd be interested to know what the sizing is like between a standard and a wide, because maybe the wide could feel a little bit more comfortable for me, but I also didn't tie these super duper tight because, again, I didn't like that fit. I've only actually worn these, I would say, like a solid 5 times for like a whole day. That's not that much if you think about it. I haven't worn these shoes for that long. So for pricing, this is $175 for the shoe. I personally got mine on Amazon. There's a ton of places where you can purchase these shoes. However, they are sold out almost everywhere. I've checked Zappos for the kid sizing, and I had to enter my email to get notified when they'll be restocked. I looked directly onto the New Balance website for the kids and the women's sizing, and they're sold out there too. So Amazon was kind of the only place that I found had available for a large range. Now I'll have to check again just to make sure, because I did post these on my TikTok, and sometimes you guys on my TikTok are so fast to sell things out. I don't want to say that that's because of me, but every single time I post about anything that I'm super excited about, you guys seem to sell them out really fast, which is amazing. But yeah, I just want to warn you guys about that. I will leave direct links to multiple places if I can find these shoes for you guys. I'll leave direct links down below. To be honest, I didn't want to like try on a full like thing of outfits for you guys, because the thing is with these sneakers, they are so versatile that you could style them up to be a high fashion look, but they are such a basic shoe. I would treat this almost similarly to, like your everyday sneaker, whatever you're wearing every single day, whether that's Converse that you wear every day, Nike Air Force Ones that you wear every day, Vans, let's say. Swap these out and try these for an everyday sneaker, and you'll probably get the same look. It's a very seamless transition into your wardrobe, into your closet. If it wasn't COVID, I would be wearing these out like, to the beach, to Disneyland, to traveling. These are the perfect airport shoe. They're the perfect Disneyland shoe. They're just stylish enough that they look great with jeans, leggings, biker shorts, dresses. I mean, I've seen this style worn with so many different outfits. So if you're looking for some outfit inspo, I'll leave a few Instagram influencers who rock these shoes all the time on their Instagram. Not only myself, who you'll see wearing these, but also other Instagram influencers who like to post about these. But I thought this was worth sharing if you guys were interested in purchasing these. It fits a lot of different lifestyles. I saw an article that said something like even models to dads are wearing this shoe. So it shows that it's a very versatile shoe. There's no certain person or certain look or certain style that you have to wear these shoes. I think these are a great school shoe. They're a great working shoe. They're a great working out shoe. If you have specific questions about these sneakers, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. That's honestly all I had to share about these shoes. If you guys like more of these casual style videos where I don't really wear makeup. Typically when I get ready for a YouTube video, I always think I have to dress up and put a full face of makeup on, but honestly, I just set up my camera and I pulled out my shoes because I just feel like maybe it's better to be a little bit more transparent with you guys. Obviously, I'm not wearing a face of makeup, so I do apologize if that bothers anybody, but this is just how I look. Let me know if you guys have a particular style that you really love from New Balance. I'd love to know, because after wearing these shoes, I can see myself wearing this a lot more. Obviously, more than my specialty shoes, like my Jordan 1s. Don't forget to come follow me on TikTok and on Instagram and stuff for more style inspo. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for all the support always, and just watching my videos and things. I really do appreciate it. You guys are so awesome. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.